Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and today I'm with a friend on Azure Mines in Roblox. You guys won't be able to hear her, but I will be able to. She said hello. Izzy, over here. It's so quiet. You're not new, Izzy. Really? You really hate it when I take stuff that you'd me. You're so offended that I took something from you. She really does get offended when I find something that was hers, that she found first. Yeah, I kind of wish you guys could hear her, but I'll find out how to do that later. Yeah, leave a comment down below if you know how to do it. I'm just saying, she's kind of forcing me to do this. You found unobtainium? Those give a lot of XP.
Oh my god, please stop!
You guys are so loud.
I can be louder.
No.
I can scream the lyrics to Piece of Peace.
No.
Piece of Peace. That's a good song. You're
You-
sleeping on the Hicks tape.
Yeah, Izzy, I'm serious about this. You do not know how to spell, especially in school.
Ice cream cake. It's so tasty. Sarah, are you acting normal? Dad, Sarah's being normal. I'm shooketh.
If you don't remember my sister from the last video, she's like the annoying K-pop fan.
Daydream.
She was the one that was playing Blackpink in the background.
It was. You could hear it.
My sister is surprised that you could actually hear it through the mic. Remember, you hit it on my face.
Oh yeah, but
I feel like you did that on purpose. Ah.
Sarah, I need you to listen to Daydream 400 more times.
No. Izzy, let me mine. Yeah, it is really quiet.
Wished on a sky, wished on a scar. That's the lyric. Yes, it is. Wished on a sky, wished on a star.
Reset! No!
Are you playing a game? Can I crash your game?
What?
Please let me play with you.
My sister wants to play in the game, but she doesn't know if there's enough space.
There better be space.
I don't think there is space. There's so many people following me around. It's just creepy.
Can't mine's upgrading.
Aha.
Peace. Oh, peace.
I'm in the middle, obviously.
Oh my god, sir, it's showing me in.
Oh my gosh, my sister's in. Her name is her Roblox name is Alexis Sartorius.
Shut up, it's a joke. I see Izzy's love fun in YouTube for YouTube 1 running around.
Shut up!
Yeah, yeah. I can do anything if you tell me good. I forgot how to play this.
My sister forgot how to play it. Go into the portal on the other side.
I got... Crap. There it is. I forgot this.
Honestly, I bet in the recording of this video I sound crazy just talking to myself.
Make me a team.
Izzy, over here. Izzy! Izzy!
Where's
Izzy!
Izzy at?
Shut up.
Boy, you jump.
Izzy, over here.
Going in the corner? What hole?
Stop digging!
Do you have your hack thing on?
What hack thing?
Where you would like open schnaz? What are you doing?
Izzy, why'd you leave the call? Did one of your brothers press it? Oh, your Wi-Fi.
I forgot how to dig anything.
You click.
Which click? Right click? Left click?
Left.
Okay. Well, I'll just put up this.
Her avatar?
Ooh, that was a ruby.
It's so much harder with like 2 other people in here. Alexis. Her name is Alexis.
Ew, that's not my name.
Yes, it is.
My name is Captain Nippleman. Can I make that my YouTube channel? Captain Nippleman. Can I become a roast channel?
Huh? What are you saying, Izzy?
Oh my god. What?
What happened?
I don't know. Am I drunk? What the heck? Oh, I'm on Sarah's head.
You're not gonna be on my head for long. Izzy's triggered.
Why?
Because I took an obtainium from her.
Congratulations.
I'm.
I know. Are we going here?
Yeah. We're going here. Izzy! Where are you? Oh, you're on my head.
Every day. I have to change my phone.
Triggerie. I cannot spell.
Whistle or grr or Dramarama?
It's your choice.
Dramarama? It's a good song. I'll do it. Dramarama.
Why are you triggered?
It's an ad.
You and my sister have a diamond pickaxe.
I don't want to learn. Hey, drama,
Oh.
Rama, hey. I don't know. It's drama, Rama, Llama, hey.
You want the diamond or the one I have?